Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com here. Today we're going to be showing you how to get the best deal on a guitar. And we're going to have links in the description below for both Amazon, eBay, and Chmelaeon.com. But it's pretty crazy how affordable they've gotten guitars, especially for beginner guitars, produced. I mean, you can get guitars with amps, guitar picks, and just a bunch, maybe even a case for like 80 bucks, 100 bucks. And if you want to spend another 100 more, you can actually get a name brand like Epiphone or Ibanez, stuff like that. But I'm just going to be walking you through how to do this and what you guys should be looking for in a beginner guitar. First off, you want to make sure that it's made of a solid wood and not a plywood, because that's going to affect the sound quality of your guitar. And the other thing is look for quality parts in your guitar. You want to make sure that usually a name brand like Epiphone or Ibanez are typically ones that are better beginner guitars, because they're going to usually have better parts inside of them. This is one of those $100 things. I'm not saying it's a bad guitar. It came with a strap. It's got pick, fender pick, and then a few other things. Of course, this is a generic Stratocaster. It has the shape of a Stratocaster, but they're not bad. They got a whammy bar. They got a tremolo, well made. They have markings for the frets. Not bad. Anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that. I would check out the links in the description below for both eBay, Amazon, and be sure to check out Chmelaeon.com too, guys. We have every musical instrument and accessory known to man. Everything from guitar picks all the way to violins and violin bows. I mean, we have a ton of stuff. We're basically a mini Amazon.com. So be sure to check out the links. If you're looking for a starter guitar, I would suggest looking at those links and cross-checking for pricing. On that note, Chmelaeon.com is out. Peace.